Hey friends, and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Iman, the owner of Your Brand Stationery Co., where we help small business owners just like you turn your chaos into clarity, one actionable step at a time. Today, I'm showing you how to use a daily planner to stay on top of your sales, promotions, and business goals, especially during the busiest time of the year. In this video, I'm showing you how to plan and track your sales goals, how to schedule promotions so nothing slips through the cracks, and how to reflect on your progress and pivot when needed. Trust me, with a system like this, you will feel less overwhelmed and more in control. So let's get started. Step 1, set clear goals. Start off the month by identifying what goal you want, whether that is a monthly goal or a weekly goal. For example, say you want to sell 50 planners for Black Friday. Make your goal to sell 10 planners a day for 5 days. I want you to be specific but be realistic, and remember to dream big. Step 2, plan out your promotion. Take a moment and jot down all of your upcoming promotions. Be sure to list out the start date and end date. Make sure that you are also taking into consideration all of the promotional codes that you need, the emails, the graphics that you want to put out, where you're going to advertise these promotions, and who you're going to advertise them to. Make sure that if you have a promotional code, that it is actually active and you've tested it. So when the time comes for your promotion to go live, you have no hiccups. Pro tip, schedule time in your daily planner to actually sit down and create the assets that you're going to need for a successful campaign. Whether that is email banners, graphics for social media, maybe you're going to actually outsource these things. Make sure that you have given whoever your vendor is ample time to create this and send it back to you so you can have the final approval before it's time to go live. Step 3, track your progress daily. It is so important that you are taking into consideration what your daily sales goals are and what your actuals are versus what your goals are. Every day, track your sales numbers and promotion performance. For example, log how many planners you actually sold versus what your goals were. Which ad performed best, which organic video performed best, or any customer feedback. This will not only help you stay motivated, but it'll let you know what you need to change and where you need to adjust. Pro tip, use the reflection page at the end of the day to identify what went well and where you can make improvements. Step 4, at the end of the week, I want you to take time to really adjust and review. Identify what your goals were and what your actual results are. Did you hit your targets? If not, how far off are you from your target? If you did not, then adjust your strategy for the next week. Maybe you need to run an extra email campaign or extend your sale. Pro tip, consistency is key. The more you track and reflect, the better you will become. Do you see how simple this is? With the daily planner, you're not just listing out tasks, you're creating a roadmap towards your success. And guess what? I'm gonna let you in on a secret. It works. So if you are ready to take control of your sales and promotions, then grab your daily planner today. It's designed to help small business owners just like you crush your goals one daily actionable step at a time. And if you enjoyed what you just learned today about how to use a daily planner to track your sales and promotions and reach your business goals, then you will love this video here. And when you pair what you have just learned today about sales, promotions, and business goals while using your daily planner with watching this video here, you will crush it and see success within your business.